FEtv. I'm Kara Backman, Marketing Manager at Franklin Empire, and today we are pleased to have Connie Chabot from Stelpro. Connie is Stelpro's Representative Engineering Solutions and Projects. And Stelpro is our main manufacturer of heating products, heating controls, and ventilation. We have a complete line of Stelpro heating at Franklin Empire. Today, thank you.
Thank you, Kara. So happy to be here. As Kara said, we are a North American manufacturer of heating products, controls, ventilation. We are a proud partner of Franklin Empire, so I'm pleased to be here today to present you some new things.
Thank you.
So what I came to show you is our new electronic thermostat. It is our STE302 series. And this is a true electronic thermostat. It is modulating, okay, so triac technology, if you will. And it is precise 2.1 degrees Celsius, so it's a very precise thermostat. It is able to accept a minimum load of 300 watts, just to a maximum load of 3,000 watts when connected at 240 volts. So in terms of voltage, we can install 120, 208, 240 volts. That's the maximum, so it's great for typically residential applications, and I'm sure commercial as well if we use it on the 208 side.
Great, sounds like a great product. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And there's so many electronic thermostats on the market today. What sets this one apart from the others?
Well, you're absolutely right. I mean, on the market today, we're bombarded with new things. There are so many different brands of thermostats, and with globalization, I mean, you're seeing these thermostats pop out of the woodwork everywhere. And they're typically third world products. So what sets us apart? Well, one, we are a North American manufacturer, so this thermostat is manufactured here in Canada. And two, I mean, it offers some very great features that set it apart from the competition. And so if I start with the first feature, this has a programming mode. So basically it's a non-programmable thermostat. It is competitively priced as such. However, it offers a great programming feature. The user has the opportunity to set two different operating modes per day. And so what this means, I'll use the typical example, is that typically when a person purchases a programmable thermostat, it's because they want to have the opportunity to do a night setback. They want to be able to decrease the temperature during the night to be more energy efficient. And basically they can do that with this thermostat. So that is the most obvious example, but I also like to say that not only can we do the setback at night, but the setback can be done at any point of the day. So if people are spending more time at work than they are at home in their beds, they can set back during the day. And basically they just program what hour of the day they want to set back. They also program how many degrees they want to set back. And they program the amount of time that they want it to be set back. And basically they do this programming once. They set it and then they can forget it. It's automatic and it will repeat itself every single day until the user decides to change the programming again. So that's one big bonus, one advantage with this stat. Second is that it can control fan forced heaters. So not only is it good for convectors, baseboards, but you can also hook it up on fan forced heaters. These big ones here, it has a fan operating mode. A third great feature is the temperature lockout, let's say. Basically, this is a thermostat that you can control as high as 30 degrees Celsius. However, the user has the opportunity to lock it at a max set temperature. So if they know that they typically enjoy 22 degrees, they don't want the kids or whomever to come and be able to adjust higher, they can lock it out and assure that it won't be set out any higher than that. Aside from that, its look. This thermostat has a great look. It has a great slim design. It's something that doesn't protrude out from the wall too much. And it has, in terms of the LCD display, it has a great backlight option as well.
Great, wow. And what's so great, what do the installers love about this new product?
Well, the installers at Stelpro, we always keep in mind the electrician, the installer. I mean, we don't install the products ourselves, but we certainly want to make their lives easier. And so we came up with a great little accessory with this thermostat, a little mounting plate. So what that means is, do I have my screwdriver? So what that means is the thermostat, the installer, all the installer has to do is basically unscrew one screw here at the bottom of the thermostat and remove this back plate. The back plate can then be installed onto the electrical box. Screw the back plate into the electrical box. The installer then makes his electrical connections and then clips the thermostat onto the back plate. So the installer doesn't have to open up the thermostat, it doesn't have to access the interior of the thermostat at all. And so it's very quick and it's very easy. What's also a great point about this back plate is that typically in a renovation job, we're replacing these old style mechanical thermostats. And so if this thermostat was installed close to a door, close to a finishing of a door, what's fun with this back plate is that we have different positions, 3 different positions. So the installer can really move it to the most ideal position based on the application. That's something that's excellent, and it's great and it's unique to Stelpro.
Thank you so much. It seems like a great product, and we're proud to be partners with Stelpro. Don't forget, Stelpro products are available at all Franklin Empire branches across Quebec and Ontario. For more information, you could visit FEinc.com or stelpro.com. And next week, we're going to be looking at another one of Stelpro's new products, the radiant heater.
Look forward to it.
Thank you very much, Connie.